Pleasure to be here once again. Yeah, thank you so much. Again, I'm Max. I've spent the last 10 years, building a career in Web3 and AI. I'm an MIT certified agentic AI expert, and also, cryptocurrency expert who has lived and worked in Asia for the last 10 years, basically. And, I'm a frequent visitor of many events in the blockchain space, including the Korean Blockchain Week. And when I met the HWAN team, at the Korean Blockchain Week, they really convinced me, and not just with, their vision, which is of course interesting, not only with their technical ability or their, cryptocurrency, like tokenomics design experience, but also with their ability to execute, in a really, really efficient way. And what I want to show you today, when they asked me actually to, showcase the platform a bit, I said yes immediately because I just love it myself, right? I just want to share this stuff, which is so well crafted, I shall say. They really did an awesome job, building this platform. You can really see it when you look at, the products. All the materials are coming out, from the project side are really, really well designed and well crafted. So, and the UX, the UI, just beautiful. So today, I'm happy to showcase a little bit, the project product, basically, right? How this whole system is working. The smart contract and everything. We'll walk through it step by step. And of course, start here, go to app.hwanprotocol.io. If you never, visited before, go to hwanprotocol.io/register, and then you bind your referrer, right? The person who referred you with the link, and normally they have a referral link to give you directly, right? And then you connect your referrer and you connect the wallet, and I will just do that right now, and you sign a message to log in, and here we go. Here we are on the HWAN Protocol dashboard. Look at that. Let that sink in for a moment. It's just a really good job, and looks nice and something that you want to use. Okay, and this is just a teaser of all the amazing things that are, in the pipeline, that are still coming. So, what I love is that it really makes you want to, use it, and it makes you hungry for more as well. So, when you go here on the dashboard, right, obviously you have all the most crucial information, basically, that you just at a glance. Soon here will be the contract address, like ready to be copied. So that's something the team is implementing at the moment, but I will show you, of course you can, the contract is live and everything. It's been deployed and renounced. So I will show you that, of course, it's all live. It's just the copy button is not yet working. But we'll get to that in a minute. So yeah, first of all, you can see here the total emitted amount. Here for my address, which is a testing address, obviously, right? It's 100, and yeah, you can see the daily rewards. You can see the price, yeah, which is rising at the moment. Very nice, very good to know. There's the matching journey, right? The rank you're currently having, right? You can see your next target. So it's also really nice and gamified. I would say the gamification here is, superb. And yeah, you can basically see, the progress you're making until the next rank. So it motivates you to, work hard and go towards that path, right? So here you can see the income command center. You see different kinds of income you are getting, right, from different sources: direct income, reward income, the DAO income, everything you need to know. Here you can see, and I'll also dive a little bit deeper into that, the DAO fund partner, the DAO partner fund, which currently, like 5% of all the deposit allocations are going here and are being shared, among the qualifying members. So I will go, a little bit deeper into that soon. Yeah, and here you can see also the capping multiplier, right? You can track how much you have used of your 3x working cap so far, right? I've deposited 100. My cap is 3x, so it's $300. The daily activity monitor is also nice for direct referrals for the whole team. Yeah, and you can see how many members are going online. And yeah, here you also see like the business and team snapshot. Very nice. And you get your referral link, your personal referral link to share. So that's very convenient and easy way to invite people to join the project. And here also I have a very nice interface, showing the whole market analytics. You can see that one price movement, right? Still going up. You can see the liquidity pool, total about $58,000. Totally burned tokens, right? More than 14,000. And the total supply is about 1.2 million at the moment. So, really nice overview again. Overall, you need to know, just at a glance. Yeah, so that's the dashboard overview. When you, go to the project participation, right, you ask yourself, okay, so how do I start, right? How do I join? And here, this is the core interface you basically need to understand. Now you can contribute from $10, in $10 steps up to 1,000, right? Here you have for easily selecting, right? You can just select 100, 1,000, as you wish, and it gives you a warning if your balance is not enough, all that stuff. So that's pretty nice. And here you can see the participation history. So that I will get back here later, because if you want to look at the contract, right, and you want to verify everything is happening on chain, because that's just like a portal, it's just the window, right, for you to look what's happening on chain. Then you can, at the moment, you can basically just do it by clicking here, and then the BSC scan will directly open, with the transaction hash, basically going to the transaction that you have completed if you deposit. Yeah, so I will again get back to that in a moment. I will first finish the dashboard overview. Let's go to the emission rewards. Again, here you have a nice overview of your daily reward stake and what's distributed to you daily. Right, here's the minted amount, the total amount that is going to be paid out, and how much has been claimed. And here is basically the countdown to the next reward. So again, very straightforward, really nice overview. Then let me come to one of the most important aspect, especially for you guys, who are also leaders, who want to benefit from this in the long term. You need to consider the DAO Partner Program, okay? It's currently live, and you can see this countdown. It's only live for another 19 days, okay? So the clock is ticking, and, this is basically the moment, like the time you still have left until, you can become a partner in the DAO and share, this 5% deposit income, basically for a lifetime. Okay, that's really crucial, and I want to just make that clear. That this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, that is only open for another almost 20 days, not even 20 days. Yeah, so go for it as soon as you can to reap those benefits. Okay, forever. So it's here in the smart contract. It's all hard coded in there, and just go for it. This is a unique opportunity. And here you can see basically the two ways you can enter and become a partner, right? You either have direct business deposit income, right, from your referrals directly, $3,000, or the whole team is up to 10,000, reach $10,000 right? That's your other entryway into the pool. So I think, anybody, with some ability and different strategy, you can just go for it. It's, I think, really, really nice that they offer these two options, right, for different kinds of leaders. And yeah, this is something, you strongly need to consider. And at the moment, you can see here the eligible members also. Yeah, so you can actually earn more and more shares. So this is also really nice, like competitive, system, which is designed with gamification in mind, right? To incentivize people to continuously, work hard and earn their shares. So once you are an eligible member, then you can every week, when you reach this, basically balance of almost $2,500, right? You can get 1 share more. So that's also really nice, right? Incentivizing people to keep working on it, and keep increasing their share. So yeah, again, really nice system, and just go for it, if you can. Catch me if you can. So then let me go to the emission rewards. That's also something I definitely want to show. And also, rank rewards. Basically showing, your current rank, the income total and rewards and so on. And you have the different levels here, right? Spark, Rise, Prime, Elite, Legend, Titan, Crown, Royal Emperor. So, that's really, I would say, like a powerful symbolism here, where you can really see, the way you work yourself up to become part of the exclusive, number of leaders, who are reaching the top. So again, look at this to keep checking your progress over time. And before we get to the smart contract, I wanted to show the withdrawal as well. So here also very nice interface. You can, as you see the claim reward center, the claim fee. You can see the available rewards if there are any. The minimum claim is $10, and then it's very straightforward. Request withdrawal, and that's it. So yeah, again, really nice and user friendly. It couldn't be better. I'm in Web3 really for a long time. I hardly see something that has been so well thought out, in terms of both UX, UI, and gamification. So I love it. Another thing here, which I really like in the dashboard, right, is the calculator. And you calculate, right? You deposit how much, then what is your daily ROI? So that's also really, it's a little thing, but little things make the difference, right? That's really, something that is a nice little tool, that's so useful. Okay, so let's go back to the smart contract. Okay, where do we have? Oh, yes, protocol participation, right? Where you can currently you can do this like little, let's say, roundabout, basically, to go to BSC, right, and get to the contract. So again, you can see the transaction hash. If you click it just opens, and you see all your past transactions. And obviously, my last transaction was this one, right, to the HWAN Protocol. And here, if you go to this little icon, you see that it says contract, right, and then you go to the respective contract, and I have opened it here already. So it's this one as it shows on the dashboard as well. Actually here, right, the contract address 71A6, and if you go here on BSC scan, okay, you can also see it here, 71A6, and you can see the token holdings, how much liquidity is there, how much USDT, how many tokens have been minted. It's all showing here on chain, unalterable. Okay, this is the source of truth, that you can just not tamper with. So I would say really important to understand this. yeah, again here, if you look at the contract a little bit deeper, right, and that's what I want to show you. You can see here, if you want to check the price, right, you can see it here, and you click the base price, right, you click here, and you just see here BNB. Okay, so $0.01 actually. So just for you to understand, even if that's the thing I want to make clear, and which is really important. And again, so like considerate from the project, right, and so well thought out. Even if this product wouldn't work at some point for whatever reason, right? You can do everything here interacting directly with the contract, okay? And all the things you can see here is the daily sell limit, okay, is another thing you can check. It's written in the contract on chain, okay? 3,000 USD, right? As you see it basically also here in the 20-hour, 24-hour limit. So it's there on chain basically. If you go here to read contract, there's one thing that is, of course, the most important thing. Yeah, you go to number 24, you see admin is 0x00. So that's a null address. That means the contract has been renounced. Okay, so nobody can change it. Not even the team itself, right? Not even Satoshi himself or right, CZ or whoever. Can change this contract. Okay, very important to understand. So yeah, again, you can see up to 65 parameters that you can check here and verify here directly on the BSC chain. Okay, that's something. And if you go here to write contract, again, I said, right, if this portal for whatever reason should be down at some point, what you can do is you go here to the contract, right? Then go to write contract right here, and then you can click connect wallet right here. And this is something that once the contract has been renounced, anybody can do it. Can connect the wallet right here on BSC, and then what you can do is you can claim. Okay, you can basically here on BSC scan directly interacting with the smart contract. You can claim your ROI if you want to do that. Yeah, you want to sell? Okay, do it. Go directly here on BSC and interact with the contract itself. Okay, amazing. And yeah, and here, right, like whatever you want to do, withdraw, right? You want to withdraw? Okay, go and do it directly, interacting with the contract. Of course, this is not by far as nice as this, dashboard which they have built, and which again gives a feeling and a teaser of the ability of this team. But it will work no matter what. Yeah. So I would say that's the most important points that I wanted to mention today. And thanks for listening. Yeah, I hope you are as excited as I am. And yeah, glad to see all of you here. Glad to have you on board. And let's go for it. Thank you.